Hello, I am the narrator, and before this episode begins, George, will be talking about a sea creature that will march through the waters, keeping a watchful eye. Without further ado, let the show begin. Good morning, everybody. My name is George, and today we're going to be talking about the red silverfish. Information about the animal and what it looks like. Now, the red silverfish has many different names, and in fact, I have quite the list. So let's get right into it, shall we? Small-eyed squirrelfish, big-eye soldierfish, pine cone, bulch, eye soldier, nightfish, crimson soldierfish, and crimson squirrelfish. Now, similar to dolphins, the big-eyed soldierfish also makes clicking, popping, and grunting noises in order to communicate. And based on lighting, the fish can appear in a few different colors. Where they live, how long they live, and how do they get their food? The soldierfish live in seaware reefs, caves, as well as shallow lagoons. They can also live in Indo-Pacific, where you can find them in Galapagos Island, Baja, California, Copperstone, Revillagigedo Islands. Right, thank you, Doctor. Revillagigedo Islands, Malago, and Cocos. What they eat, and what are their predators? Its scientific name. They feed nocturnally on crab larvae and zooplankton. The red silverfish like to catch compact prey in the dead of night. Its mating habits and some random facts. Once a mother lays her eggs and it hatches into larvae, they're about the size of plankton, so like itsy bitsy. They will eventually become juveniles. Thank you, Doctor. They will become juveniles. But fishermen often like to use the larvae for fishing, since a vast amount of species that live in the ocean like to eat these larvae. But they can easily be overhunted, and some are in areas. Alright, some silverfish have venomous spines. It varies between species of silverfish. Yes, they can be toxic. Questions. The last thing on our agenda to complete this research about the red silverfish is a question. I have a question. So, why are they called silverfish? Well, there's actually a very simple answer to this simple question. Basically, like many other fish, they swim in schools, which are just a large group of fish. But these red silverfish line up tightly and in line, which is actually how soldiers line up, which is where that main name came from. And with that, this is unfortunately the end of the episode. If you are fascinated by the red silverfish, there are links in the description that go more into detail about all of the information we found about it. If you've enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Good night. Tried to make sure there might be bloopers, but I've just I should be marking these. What have I been doing? Ah! Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee. Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness! Why is it so hard to pronounce words? Really don't know. This is the end of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video. This is the end of the video. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Oh oh.